we're doing a really nice concrete work. We're loading some gravel right now. There you go. And then we're also getting rebar. Really nice. Let me show you. Right here. We're doing all this concrete. We're also gonna be doing that right there. And show you. Right here. All this concrete all the way to the back. Nice. Demo day. Broke everything down. Show you right here. This is how it's coming along. Right here. And this is the back of the house. Right there. Get in there. This is a walkway, entrance to the house. Small curb. We extended this out a little bit. It's the entrance. And we're gonna do this last. This driveway right here. So you gotta put the rebar. I'm gonna show you a video of some people. They are doing concrete at this moment somewhere there. No rebar, no gravel. I'm gonna show you the video. This is what we're looking at right here. This is what we're looking at right here. Right here. This is what we're looking at. Big patio, man. This is big. This is big, bro. This is big. Well, for me it is big. Reason is because I don't do concrete. I know how to do concrete, but I don't do concrete. And then we're gonna do fence around the house. I got some of the fence that we need. Still gotta get the rest. I'm having the rest delivered Friday. But yeah, this is what we're looking at. We got the line pump ready to roll. Beautiful driveway right here. Hit the boss, hit the boss. Looking beautiful. Alright, so we did all this concrete. I know it's dirty because we've been stepping all over the grass. We did this today. Looking really beautiful. And we're doing the fence all around the house. Check this out. Check this out, looking beautiful. We're finishing up today, the fence. The boys are finishing up. Looking really nice. Looking really nice. And then we have to do 2 gates here. We did this patio slab on what, Friday, I think. We did this today. Nice. So we're gonna do a gate here, and then another gate right there by the entrance. Looking really nice. All right, so this is the final product, the result of this concrete work we did. This is the walkway entrance to the house, and this is the driveway. Driveway used to be like 10 feet wide, I believe, and we extended it to 16 feet wide. This is the fence. We put this concrete slab too. Another gate. Another gate here. We did this other concrete slab. Did that right there. Looking really nice. We did all this fence around the house. All of this around the house. Looking pretty nice. It's looking pretty nice around the house. Stops right there. We just came back to get the tools. Some of the tools we left, and also some trash that we needed to get as well. Looks really nice, doesn't it? Really nice. We also did this for the client.